This is multiple time frame analysis on the bond market. RV is looking at ZNs, which are the notes, and he's going to show you a coming bullish setup in the note market and essentially in the treasuries as a whole. He's got some great analysis here for you, and I think you're going to learn a lot about our style of cycle analysis watching. Great lessons that RV gives. Take a peek.
So let's go ahead and shift over to the notes. That's forward slash ZN. Again, what we've done here is there was a 66 bar cycle that we were looking at on the chart. We basically just shortened them slightly to a 63-week dominant, which is then broken up into minor 21-week cycles. And you can see a very clear upturn here in the forward slash ZN as we are getting into this rising phase on this longer cycle here, which is the 63-week, as well as this minor cycle here, which is the 21-week cycle. And we have this nice upturn now in the weekly momentum, which is confirming that we are in a rising phase in the forward slash ZN. Reasonable to get up to the 122.13 area here, which is the dominant 38.2. That's our overall target here for the notes. If we shift over to the daily, so we highlighted the possibility for likely a little bit higher in the notes and conversely a little bit lower in the rates, and then look for a sell-off here in the futures and a pop back to the upside in the rates market. This sell-off is likely going to create a flag, and then we will be looking to put on a long side trade idea here for our members as we get out into that next rising phase. Now, that next low is due right around the later part of July. So to the 3rd to 4th week of July is when we'll be looking for a opportunity to get long for a trade idea in the notes because we have now a positive ribbon. We have gotten very close to that prior daily cycle high at 120.19, and that's really some of the evidence really favors a bullish bias here in the notes, and really one of the most interesting opportunities as we look across all of these markets.
All right, great job on that, RV. And yes, coming up is likely an opportunity in the bond market on the long side. Great work.